This is a cleaner I've been using for years. It's called Oil Eater. It's a cleaner degreaser. And I haven't found any other cleaner that cleans like this stuff does. If I have blinds in my house, I can take them down, lay them down, like say in the driveway, and just spray them down, let them sit, and rinse it off, and most of the dust and everything comes right off. I've used it full strength. Put it in this bottle and use it full strength on like an engine, greasy engine, transmission, things like that. But for most everything else, you can just put it in a bottle like this, and it says to mix it 10 parts water to 1 part Oil Eater, or 1 part Oil Eater to 20 parts water, depending on what you're cleaning. This bottle here, cleaning the black streaks off my trailer, I filled it to about there with Oil Eater, probably more than I needed, and then filled the rest up with water. I take the 5 gallons and I save my old washer bottles, like Clorox bottles, 1 gallon bottles, and I pour it in there, and then I pour it into my containers from that 1 gallon container. Or you can get a pump, put a pump on here and then pump it into your spray bottle. And I'll show you how it cleans a couple of things. So here's a panel I've already cleaned with it. This trailer hasn't been washed in probably 2 years. It's been sitting outside. And it has the, black streaks that run down the sides. Like these. See what that looks like? And that stuff's not coming off with water or just regular detergent soap or anything. Most of it comes off, but you'll still see it. So if I take the stuff in my spray bottle, this has been diluted quite a bit, and just spray it on there. Probably don't even need that much. See if I can get my light over here without putting a shadow on it. And just wipe it right off. Just wiping it right off. And there it is on the rag. I usually wash the trailer outside, but right now I'm in here working on it, and I don't want to take it outside and get it all wet. So I'm just cleaning it in here in the places I need to clean it. So here I've got a panel off my trailer. I've already cleaned it a little bit. This part here I cleaned a little, but you can see how much dirt and stuff is on there. Instead of cleaning all these little nooks and crannies out, you just spray it on there, let it sit, and rinse it off. And it will start turning you get kind of this dark yellow. See the dark yellow? I cleaned the whole inside of my trailer when I bought it. Somebody had smoked in it, had this smoke and everything all over the inside. Everything was yellowed. I just sprayed this on a rag and cleaned everything. So you can see what that looks like. It just takes all that dirt and just takes it right off of there. Now if I don't do anything to it, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this with a garden hose without scrubbing it and see how it comes out. Haven't even scrubbed this. You see how clean it got that in there? All the little ribs and everything, all nice and clean. The back side, I haven't cleaned the back side off. Looks like brand new. I cleaned it off of every one of those ribs, and I didn't even have to use a brush on it. Amazing. This is the cover for my air conditioner on my trailer. And it's been a while since it's been cleaned. It's got all the green stuff on it. See all those ribs? How dirty they are. You'd have to clean all this by hand. I'm not sure if it'll get rid of that rust right there. There's some rust if you can see it. But it's just coming right off. I'm trying to get up under there with my brush. Lots of suds. Sitting outside. Nice and clean. All the ribs and everything. It's like brand new in there. Now the outside doesn't look exactly brand new because it's got some scratches on it, but I said this is off a 93. It's been sitting outside for a couple years. Had a bunch of bees in here.